So you might have a USB. Chances are that you have one because it's a really popular device, and you might have seen the storage quantity of it in gigabytes or megabytes. And we all know the fact that the smallest unit of storage is bits and the next one is bytes. But we are wrong. There is another unit of storage that is greater than a bit and smaller than a byte. That is the nibble. So what is nibble and where it is used right now? Let's discuss. The term nibble originates from its representing half a byte, with byte a homophone of the English word byte. A full byte octet is represented by two hexadecimal digits. Therefore, it is common to display a byte of information as two nibbles. Sometimes the set of all 256 byte values is represented as a 16 by 16 table, which gives easily readable hexadecimal codes for each value. Nibbles were used in mainframes and in the early 4-bit computers. 4-bit computer architectures use groups of 4 bits as their fundamental unit. Such architectures were used in early microprocessors, pocket computers, and pocket calculators. They continue to be used in some microcontrollers. The nibble is used to describe the amount of memory used to store a digit of a number stored in packed decimal format (BCD) within an IBM mainframe. This technique is used to make computations faster and debugging easier. An 8-bit byte An 8-bit byte is split in half, and each nibble is used to store one decimal digit. The last, rightmost nibble of the variable is reserved for the sign. Thus, a variable which can store up to 9 digits would be packed into 5 bytes. Ease of debugging resulted from the numbers being readable in a hex dump, where two hex numbers are used to represent the value of a byte, as 16 by 16 is equals to 28. For example, a 5-byte BCD value of 31, 41, 59, 26, 5C represents a decimal value of plus 31, 41, 59, 26, and 5. Historically, there are cases where nibble was used for a group of bits greater than 4. In the Apple II microcomputer line, much of the disk drive control and group-coded recording was implemented in software writing. Writing data to a disk was done by converting 256 bytes pages into sets of 5-bit, later 6-bit. Nibbles and loading disk data required the reverse. Today, the terms byte and nibble almost always refer to 8-bit and 4-bit collections, respectively, and are very rarely used to express any other sizes. So hope you guys like this video, and please consider subscribing my channel, and hope you guys like this whole new style of editing. And I'm Amavji from The Handlers, and I'm signing out.